I come to save the day. Mighty Mouse is on the way. All right. First day back camp hosting at Gulf State Park, Gulf Shores, Alabama. Oh, here's the other one right here.
Is it this baby one that's been sunbathing over there?
All right, we're coming to you from Doc Seafood here in Orange Beach, Alabama, and they advertise that they have the best fried shrimp in the entire civilized world. All right, woo! I'm stuffed, and I still got a whole nother meal here. All right, so we just came and got our new work shirts. Alabama State Park. Staff. Right where we at. Look at that doggy in the window.
Hey, Pup.
He knows something's up.
He knows something's happening.
He's never been here, but he's like, this seems like an exciting place.
He says, I'm at Gulf Shores State Park.
Man, I'm excited. We finally made it.
You're home for the next 3 months. Him's a traveling dog. I see Sherry.
You do?
I see her, yeah.
Oh, where's the box?
Oh, I don't know. I guess we sit in the heat.
Here, let's hide. You ready?
She didn't even notice you.
Here I come to save the day. Mighty Mouse is on the way.
What time you got here? I cannot believe it.
I told you we'd be back.
I cannot believe it.
Where's your box?
I don't want to talk about it.
You tell me about it.
They stole it.
They stole it? So what days do you want me working?
As far as I'm concerned, right now. This is my new crew. They're going to take over. You know that, right?
Yeah, that's
We're here for 3 months.
3 months.
Registration, do I have to give y'all anything?
Where is 65?
That's all I know.
You want to leave this place where we grew up, this old town, just put it all behind. Remember you and I would always find somewhere to hide when we were kids, so we could see and hear the water run. The river's gonna cry when you're gone.
Where 28 minutes and 32 seconds. All right. First day back camp hosting at Gulf State Park, Gulf Shores, Alabama. What do you think about it, darling?
We're in our happy place.
That's it, happy place. Right here, we love it here. What's your most favorite part about camp hosting?
The people.
Mine's free campsite and the fact that Maverick can work with us every day.
Oh, yeah, that's a good one.
This is his first day at work ever. 8 months old.
And he loves it.
He loves it. He
You're
absolutely
going
loves
to
it.
go to campsite 502 and 504.
502, 504. Those are primitive campsites. Make sure now you tune into all these episodes while we're camp posting. They're going to be great. We've got lots of great ideas, lots of great content coming up. Thank you all. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Thank you all.
Peace.
Look at the pet lizard.
Maverick, you want a pet lizard?
Wow. There's a bigger one in here. Might be its daddy or something, or mama. Cool. Maverick, what do you think of the pet lizard?
He said, I haven't seen him yet.
He wants to go play with it.
No, he hasn't seen him. He hasn't even acknowledged it's there.
Oh, wow.
He's more worried about things that have movement.
All right, so we just came and got our new work shirts. Alabama State Park staff. We are officially staffed now. I've got one on because I had to go in there and try on. I had ordered larges, but the larges were huge. But even this medium, look at that. See, I don't wear shirts with arms that big. I just don't. Now, it'd be better if I could make my arms that big, but they just won't grow that much. So it is what it is. I'll just have to roll them up, or I'll have to do something. I don't know what I'm going to have to do, but they are required uniforms here at Camp Post, Gulf State Park, Gulf Shores, Alabama. So we're just grateful to be here. And this is the thing. We have 3 months ahead of us. And it seems like a lifetime. But before we know it, we're going to have 2 weeks left. And then we're going to have a week left. Then we're going to have 3 days left. And then it's going to be time to go home. But we'll enjoy it while we're here. It's going to be getting hot. And I mean hot come the end of May and June. 1st of June, all of June. So we will be sweating. I have a feeling us working 3 half days and we only have 2 shirts. Somewhere mid-June, Maxine will be hand washing these shirts because they're going to be soaked.
No, I head to the laundromat.
Well, they're going to be soaked every day when we come in. Right now, we could wear them for 2 half days. Come June, we're going to walk outside and just pour sweat. I mean, just start pouring. But although that may not be ideal, I will never complain because of this right here. At least I'm not cold. So I'm excited about it. Super excited.
All right, remember?
Of course, I would rather be working in my tank tops like I was able to do last October. I guess we never got shirts last October. Tank top, flip-flops.
We got name tags.
We did get name tags. But tank tops, flip-flops. But we were told that, oops, square body.
I see it.
You see it, square body. Short bed too. So
I tried to get it in focus at what happened.
You couldn't get it? All right, now off to explore. All right, we're coming to you from Doc Seafood here in Orange Beach, Alabama. And they advertise that they have the best fried shrimp in the entire civilized world. And Maxine actually got some of that shrimp, and we'll see how delicious it is when it comes out.
Yes.
So
I'll let you know.
What I got was the crab cakes.
I had to think about it too.
And stuffed crab. But I also added on a cup of their world famous seafood gumbo. And I'm fixing to dig in here and see how good it is. We'll let you know. All right, now that was quick.
That was quick.
Yeah, that didn't take long at all. I think that's what they do here. This is their specialty. So, like I said, crab cakes with the stuffed crab, fries, hush puppies, coleslaw, and that gumbo was incredible.
And I have to agree, I don't like gumbo. It usually tastes like dirt. It usually smells like the basement. And that was delicious. I had a couple of bites, and I have to say, it was really good.
Well, she got 2 skewers of grilled shrimp, fries. The best fried shrimp in the entire civilized world right there. Of course, hush puppies and coleslaw.
Yeah.
We'll let y'all know how good it is.
Yep, time to dig in.
All right, woo!
I'm so full.
I'm stuffed, and I still got a whole nother meal here. Yeah. I only ate 1 crab cake and 1 stuffed crab. I've saved 2. She saved some shrimp. some fries. So we'll have a whole nother meal with this, or at least part of a meal with it. So here we are outside of Doc Seafood. This is the original. They have another bigger one over on the main strip by the beach. It's a lot bigger, caters to a lot bigger groups. This one here is smaller, but man, it was everything.
Man, it's
the gumbo, the shrimp,
the fries, to make your own cocktail sauce.
Yeah,
We've
they
never
just
done
give you little things, ramekins of horseradish. You put your own ketchup and your own Worcestershire in there, shake it up, and you have it handmade right at the table.
Sauce, and it's good.
Oh, so delicious.
So I made a couple of those to go.
Yep. And then the coleslaw, hush puppies, everything was delicious.
Super
so we're gonna come back here for sure.
And I agree, the shrimp is the best in civilization.
Civilized world.
Civilized world, sorry.
Okay. If y'all are here in Orange Beach, Gulf Shores area, come here to Doc Seafood. Check it out. 2 thumbs up. All right. Day 3 at the beach. And we haven't even been to the beach yet.
No.
But we are on our first major walk. Of course, we walk every day, but we're on it's almost 5 miles around. If you go around Middle Lake, back to our campsite, it'll be about 4.7 or something like that. So we're doing that. Maverick is his longest walk ever, so I've had to pick him up a couple times. He does good, but he's still a baby, 8 months old.
We gotta give a baby a break.
Yep, and we brought him some water, and he's drinking that good, so he's enjoying it though. It's a little bit cloudy today. I think the sun's gonna be out wide open tomorrow, so we'll get that good old vitamin D and those sun rays that are so healthy for us. Boom! Get that tan started. I'm so ready after that winter chalk season. So, what do you think, darling?
Yeah, I'm pretty pale.
You ready for the beach?
I'm ready for the beach.
Heck yeah.
I guess while you're editing, I will make some ducks.
Oh yeah, duck. It's duck season around here.
It is duck season.
If you have a Jeep, you will get ducked.
You will get ducked.
With the AGA QR code on the bottom, Alexander's Great Adventures. So, pretty excited about that. Maybe pick up a few subscribers.
You gotta move over here.
How you doing?
You can't walk in the trail where someone's riding. He just went through doofus mode.
Doofus mode.
Doofus mode. All right, slow down, sled dog. Slow down.
Are you enjoying your walk, Maverick?
He is.
All right.
He's part hound dog, sniffing everything, and sled dog trying to lead the way. And sloth. Look at his little head, look at him. He's a fast sloth, though.
He's a good boy.
He is a good boy.
This is Middle Lake right here.
I see a turtle.
There's the pavilion right over there with the pool. We are right through those trees right there. So we don't have far to go.
This dog is goofy. That bicycle came and he just melted.
10,336 steps, 4.31 miles. Took us a while. We had to stop and take a break. So it's not quite the 5 miles that I thought, but that's a pretty good little walk before brunch. Maverick's first down the beach and he meets his twin. Yeah, his first. He was on a beach in California a couple months ago, but this is the first time ever hanging out at the beach.
Oh, wow.
It was like a rainy day in California, and he did some beach swimming.
So this is Georgi Poo. He's 1 pound lighter than Maverick and 1 month younger. So Georgi Poo's 7 months, Maverick's 8 months.
Right.
Sand's like more brown.
And Georgi Poo just got his fresh summer cut. No, Georgi Porgi.
Yeah, my dad's name was George.
Okay, Georgi Porgi.
Named after my dad, George. So Georgi Porgi.
Oh, I love that.
Yeah.
So
Look.
they named him Willie Nelson because of the red hair.
Oh, right, right.
So he got Maverick. So his middle name's Willie Nelson.
Hi, Maverick. Good boy.
All right, they're off leash. They're checking it out.
And Georgi Porgi.
That's called the
They're off leash here, and they're 1 month apart.
and about a pound apart.
Georgi Porgi and Maverick.
Yep.
Yeah, guys, aren't you having fun?
Maverick looks bigger because he's furry.
Yeah, Maverick looks that
When
same
he's wet,
size when
the
he's
same
wet.
size.
He was so cute.
He's just bored of everybody.
Yeah.
Oh, here's the other one right here.
Is this the baby one that's been sunbathing over there?
Yeah. I mean, you can call it baby.
In October. Yeah. Not bad. It's got to be the same one.
Yeah. That one is. This one right here, this.
That's just a few months ago.
So you got one there and one down in the water.
Yeah.
Thank y'all for watching. We really do appreciate it.
If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. That really helps us out.
You can also follow us on Facebook and Instagram.
I'll put the link in the description down below. Please tune in next week where we have more exciting camp posting adventures here at Gulf State Park Campground in Gulf Shores, Alabama. Until next week, we love you all. Peace.
Peace.